white chicken chili for supper. How does that sound? If it sounds good, keep watching. Hey you all, thanks for stopping by. If you're new here, I'm April, and this is my crazy creative life. Tonight at church, we are having a graduation celebration. It's going to honor everybody from preschool all the way up to college. And afterwards, we're having just kind of snacky meal type thing. So I thought I would make my white chicken chili. So if that sounds good, then just stay here. Okay, I'm starting off with chicken broth. It could be any chicken broth. It's just regular. If you wanted the low sodium, I'm sure you could use that, but I'm using just regular. And this is the 48 ounce. Next, I'm just taking some chicken tenders. You can use chicken breast, you can use the frozen chicken breast, but I'm gonna do some tenders. This is about 2 pounds of chicken. I'm gonna let this boil. I've got the 48 ounce of just the Walmart chicken broth in there, and with it's almost 2 pounds of chicken, and so we'll boil that up, and then I'll kind of cut the chicken up a little bit, and then after that we are going to add some great northern beans and some navy beans. Then we'll do a can of green chilies. Then lastly, not everybody likes pasta in their chili. I do. So I like this Barilla ditalini. I guess that's how you say it. I don't know if I'm saying that wrong, you can tell me. But I like it's just like little bitty, or just little bitty tube-like small pasta. So I like putting this in my white chicken chili. Then we will also put some cream, sour cream, and Monterey Jack cheese. I think that's all once we're done. So we'll let that finish boiling. For spices, it's going to be 2 tablespoons of cumin, a teaspoon of onion powder, a teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of Italian seasoning, or you can just use oregano, and then 1/8 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, because Mama can't take much heat. But there's the cayenne pepper. But 1/8 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and then salt and pepper to taste. Okay, I've got my chicken out and I'm letting it cool. I've got it out on my cutting board and I'm letting it cool. What I'm doing here, I'm wanting to saute an onion. Okay, now that these, for the most part, are turning translucent, and we're going to add our spices, kind of just bring out the more flavor and aroma in these spices. Just basically toasting the spices. Okay, I'm going to add it back to my pot. Next, I'm going to add my chicken back in. Okay, I'm going to rinse and drain my navy beans and the great northern beans. I'm going to start off with 2 cans each and then see where that gets me. I'm going to add some more broth to it, probably half of this other 48 ounce. Okay, once that gets back to boiling, I'm going to add 1 cup of this Barilla, there it is, ditalini, something like that. While I'm waiting for it to heat back up, I'm using a can of the green chilies. It's the medium. Now that we're back to a boil, I'm going to add just 1 cup of ditalini. Probably keep it between medium high and high until these noodles are done, and then I'll let it simmer. And then right before you serve it, you will add 1 cup of sour cream, 1 cup of heavy cream, and Monterey Jack cheese. I'm only adding half of that 16-ounce Monterey Jack cheese that I shredded up. And then what you can do is let each person add more cheese, more sour cream, whatever, once they get their own bowl. Then I add 1 cup of heavy whipping cream and 1 cup of sour cream and mix all that together and just let it simmer and thicken back up. Since I was taking it to church, I transferred it into my Instant Pot. That way I could keep it warm. And I think it was like that was all that was left. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If this video was helpful in any way at all, please give me a like. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do. And of course, turn the bell on for notifications. And I think that's it. I hope you have a blessed rest of your day, and I will talk to you in the next one. Bye.